nor hike and nest away.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan has outdone itself as a country this time on the list of the most failed states in the world. Former Pakistan President Parvez Musharraf has been declared as a proclaimed offender in the assassination of none other than Benazir Bhutto by the Pakistani courts. And interestingly, just hours before he was named an offender, Musharraf spilled the beans on Pakistan's grand efforts to harbour, support, give patronage and a place to stay to the world's most wanted terrorist, Dawood Ibrahim, the mastermind of the 93 Mumbai attacks. Now, as the anger grows across the world against this failed state of Pakistan, I have one question tonight. With Dawood as a state guest in Pakistan and a Pakistani ex-president as a proclaimed offender in the assassination of an ex-prime minister of Pakistan, is it or is it not time to declare Pakistan a terror state? And my question here is not just to Indians but to Pakistanis tonight. Pakistanis, what are you doing? Your country has been exposed by your own as the harborer of the world's most wanted terrorists. Pakistanis, I am asking you tonight, why should your country not be declared as a terror state? Perhaps, and I want Pakistanis to introspect tonight, that what I am saying is in their interest. Because it is only if your country, dear Pakistanis, is referred to and formally declared as a terror state will it look the other way and say that even right now there is an opportunity with all the blemishes and all the wrongs that we are doing to correct our path. But if today, when an ex-president has said on record that your country is giving patronage and a place to stay and do business to Dawood Ibrahim, the world's most wanted terrorist, if you, dear Pakistanis, go out and say it's all right, then remember, nobody will come to save you tomorrow. No Musharraf, no Rahil Sharif, and certainly no politician across the side on the Indian side or the American side. So my question is tonight not so much to Indians, I'm appealing to Pakistanis. I'm appealing to their sense of conscience. I'm appealing to them to overthrow their own leaders. I'm appealing to individual Pakistani states to declare their own independence, because when an ex-president comes and says that I am offering support, patronage and a place to stay to a world's most wanted terrorist, then it's no longer a joke. At one point of time, Pakistanis, your presidents and ex-presidents had a sense of shame and embarrassment. And Pakistanis will remember that the same Parvez Musharraf on an American television show was once asked whether Osama bin Laden lives on his soil, and he said, I don't know. Today, look at that. Even the veneer and veil of shame has gone away. And Musharraf is proudly declaring that Pakistan provides a place to stay for a terrorist. Therefore, tonight, the introspection is not for Indians to do. The introspection is only and only for Pakistanis to do. And I hope that the Pakistanis will answer some questions tonight, because I have many a question for them, and that's coming your way in debate number 1 tonight. The truth about Dawood Ibrahim is out. Pakistan's truth is out. And the person exposing Pakistan is Musharraf. Pakistan's Dawood admission is debate number 1 tonight. And our questions from Republic are to Pakistanis tonight, to be followed at 10 p.m. by a top CPM leader facing a serious charge from the CBI in the killing of an RSS man. It couldn't have got more formalized than that. That debate is coming up at 10 o'clock. And here are the headlines this Thursday evening on the debate tonight. Top Kerala left leader named conspirator and mastermind in 2014 RSS murder case. Republic Newsbreak embarrasses the left.
District Secretary has been named in the CBI charge sheet for the RSS workers' murder. So did the left conspire in any way to actually kill the RSS workers?
Yechury goes silent after CBI's supplementary charge sheet blames his party. Can the left deny role in RSS murders anymore? Republic is confronting the left tonight.
हम क्यों बताएं दाऊद इब्राहिम हमारे पास है ठीक है सर
नहीं पता कहाँ है? होगा कहीं
और ये अमेरिका में भी दाऊद ये देखें इंडियन चैनल पे बात करते हैं.
Dawood must be here in Pakistan, says absconder Musharraf. Why can't we just declare Pakistan a terror state?
Certainly, it's a matter of concern that it's come down to 5.7%.
Fierce political debate breaks out over the RBI's demonetization report. The government goes all out to counter critics. 22 lives lost, another building collapses 2 days after the flooding mess in Mumbai. And sensational diary entries by former Bofors boss revealed a day before a Supreme Court hearing. The Gandhis are facing even more serious questions tonight. Republic wants Bofors reopened. A prime minister was sacked. A former president has been termed an absconder in the assassination of a former prime minister. The same former army chief has also spilled the beans on what Republic always told you. That, ladies and gentlemen, Dawood Ibrahim is living in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, just what in the world is going on in Pakistan? Frankly, I don't care whether Pakistan implodes or explodes itself further. We believe it's simply time to label Pakistan a terrorist state.
27 December 2007. A two-time Prime Minister and the then opposition leader of Pakistan, Benazir Bhutto, was assassinated as shots were fired at her after a political rally. The man who was charged with her murder, the then President Parvez Musharraf, has today been named an absconder and proclaimed offender. Musharraf has been on the run from Pakistan. He has answers to the full plot. He's also the man who knows some home truths that embarrass Pakistan.
एक और चीज में बड़ा डाउट है मुझे आपकी, बाकी भी चीजें आपकी सही लगती हैं जो आप बताते हैं. मैं आपको अपना ओपिनियन दे रहा हूँ. दाऊद इब्राहिम के मतलब जब आपसे पूछा जाता है वो कराची है पाकिस्तान में, आप कहते हैं कि नहीं है. इज दैट ट्रू? वो पाकिस्तान में नहीं है.
देखो, वाई शुड बी ना, हिंदुस्तान की बात आती है. वो लोग बहुत कुछ कहते हैं. वो लोग हमारे खिलाफ दुनिया जान के गलतियां कर रहे हैं और सारा हमें खराब करते हैं. तो हम तो इतना डिसेंट बन के उनको हेल्प क्यों करें?
हम क्यों बताएं दाऊद इब्राहिम हमारे पास है? ठीक है सर.
नहीं पता कहाँ है?
पता ठीक
होगा कहीं. और ये अमेरिका में भी दाऊद इब्राहिम ये देखें इंडियन चैनल पे बात करते हैं. ये दाऊद इब्राहिम की बात करते हैं, वो बॉम्बे की बात करते हैं. ये मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ ये सिम्टम है और आप लोगों को ये चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. देखो सिम्टम है, आप कॉज की तरफ क्यों नहीं जाते हो? दाऊद इब्राहिम क्यों है, ये क्यों किया, ये बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट क्यों हुए वहाँ बॉम्बे में वगैरह, और ये एक्शन, इसके रूट कॉज क्या है? तुम अगली दफा करोगे और दाऊद इब्राहिम आएंगे. आई मीन ये उसके बताओ इनको, इंडियन को भाई.
Has Musharraf admitted what Pakistan government won't? Has Pakistan exposed Pakistan yet again on Dawood Ibrahim, one of India's most wanted men? Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Okay, on the Indo-Pak debate tonight, I have with me General G.D. Bakshi, Gaurav Arya, Major Gaurav Arya, Saurabh Shukla, and Ujjwal Nikam is a special public prosecutor in the 2611 case. And on the Pakistani side tonight, I have with me Barrister Zahid Saeed, and we have Kamar Chima from Islamabad, and we have Colonel Asad Mahmood, and we have Ahmad Raza Kasuri, and Ujjwal Nikam, yes. And yes, thank you. I'd like to begin by just saying a word tonight about one person who has been with us on many, many debates here on Republic, and that person's name is Colonel Shafqat Saeed. And Colonel Shafqat Saeed passed away a couple of days back. And for all our differences, and for all the furious fights that I have had with him, and God knows I never agreed with Shafqat Saeed on anything he said, he was a fine debater. And our condolences to Shafqat Saeed. I'd like to start by paying our respects and, pay for the peace of his soul. And I just wanted to begin by saying that we'll miss Shafqat a great deal, and Our condolences to Shafqat's family right on top of the debate today. I think we'll miss him.
We join you, Arnab.
And Barrister Zahid Saeed has been on so many debates with Colonel Shafqat, and Qamar Chima and Asad Mahmood have as well. I think we'll all miss him. So just wanted to say that. Are we ready to debate tonight? Are we ready, Gaurav?
Absolutely.
And what would you like to say to the Pakistanis tonight? Because Musharraf has come out and said that he could be in Pakistan. There is no sense of shame today. If you see Musharraf's body language and the way in which he was talking and discussing, there was no sense of shame at all. He was proudly proclaiming out there that hoga kahin pe idhar. What does he mean by hoga kahin pe idhar?
Arnab, not only Musharraf, even the interviewer was laughing when he was asking that question.
Yeah, what a shame.
And yes, really shameful. And the way President Musharraf, ex-President Musharraf or whatever.
Let's put the question on the ticker, please.
Yes, absolutely. The way he said that hoga kahin dekh lo, inki to aadat hai. And then he's justifying terror.
Yeah.
The worst part is he's justifying terror.
Yeah.
He is saying that क्यों हुआ ऐसा? पूछिए क्यों हुआ? और दाऊद पैदा होंगे. That is the problem. You know, Pakistan is always justifying terror.
Yeah.
This happened because of that. 9/11 happened because of that. 26/11 happened because of that. There is no justification for terror at all.
Yeah.
And this is what Pakistan must understand first. Stop justifying terror.
Yeah. And what kind of country in the world does this? Barrister Zahid Saeed, you must be the only country in the world which can have a situation where a president and an ex-president of a country, the question is, Ahmad Raza Kasuri, can you please explain what Musharraf meant by saying that Dawood is in Pakistan? What does he mean by that? Can you explain, please? Because you represent his party, whatever is left of it. Yes. What did he mean when he said that? Ahmad Raza Kasuri, please tell us. What did he mean when he said that he is in Pakistan? Tell me. Ahmad Raza Kasuri, can you hear me or are you pretending not to hear me? What did he say when he said that he must be in Pakistan? Yeah. Go on. Who is responding from the Pakistani side? Can I have the person on air, please? Thank you. Who was responding? Please go ahead. Was that Zahid Saeed or whoever? Please continue.
All right. No, you didn't ask me to. I will. Look, what
Go ahead.
Musharraf
Anyone is
says
free to respond. Go on.
is of no consequence. Please listen. What Musharraf says is not of consequence. What is of consequence is that Pakistan is not India's detective agency. We have no extradition treaty. We cannot go around seeking an Indian national.
I want
For
to
God,
know.
if
Not this
Interpol
question.
can't locate him, you're not a detective agency.
My question is, what did he mean by that? He said Dawood Ibrahim is in Pakistan. What did he mean by that? What did he mean by that? What did he mean by that? Barrister Zahid Saeed, what did he mean by
He
that?
doesn't.
What did he mean by that? What did he mean by that? You tell the
He's
people what did he mean when he said Dawood is in Pakistan, hoga kahin idhar pe.
Arnab,
What did he
Arnab,
mean by that?
Probably.
Tell me.
He may be. in
Right,
India,
okay, Asad Mahmood, go on. I'm hearing you, Asad Mahmood, go on. What did he mean by that, Asad Mahmood?
Can you hear me? Yeah, okay. There are.
Go on, I can hear you loud and clear, sir. Do you agree?
Fine. First of all, General Pervez Musharraf is out of the government for the past 9.5 years. He has no business what all is going on in
Disagree with
Pakistan.
your-
He has no knowledge what all is happening here in Pakistan. So as far as we are concerned, as far as Pakistan is concerned,
He has
it
enough
has got
knowledge. He has
nothing to
enough
do
knowledge
with
about
the
what's happening in
statement or the
Pakistan
interview
because
given
this is
by
a man who was
General
so
Pervez
powerful
Musharraf.
that he carried out
That is
Benazir
the very
Bhutto's
first thing which I would like to
assassination.
tell you.
You are ashamed of what he has said doesn't mean you disown it. You are ashamed of what he said doesn't mean you disown
Okay.
it. Now understand.
Okay,
He's-
no, there's one.
Are you
Whatever
ashamed of what he
has
said?
That is his
Are you ashamed
personal
of what he
view.
said?
The ground realities are totally different. There is nothing to do with
What is the ground reality?
Dawood Ibrahim as far
What
as
is the ground
Pakistan
reality?
is concerned.
Is Dawood in
We are-
Pakistan?
No. We are not concerned about him. We are not concerned about his deeds. what all he is
Sorry.
doing in India, what all he is
I
doing
ask
the
you
world
again, is
over,
Dawood in
it is none of
Pakistan?
concern of
Sorry,
any
disagree with you.
Pakistani.
Disagree
We
with
should
you.
be
Is
very,
Dawood
very
in
clear on
Pakistan?
this.
Is Hafiz Saeed your naturalized citizen? Is Salahuddin your personal guest or not? You tell me.
Interpol. What does Interpol say? Has Interpol found him? Has they found him here?
Ujjwal Nigam will take that today. 1 second,
Then
please.
sign an
Ujjwal Nigam will take that question. Don't make it legal. Don't make it legal. You are worried today because an ex-president and gone has spilled your beans today. Because an ex-president Ujjwal Nigam has gone and revealed to the whole world that Dawood Ibrahim is in Pakistan. So they're embarrassed and they don't know where to look and where to hide tonight. Ujjwal Nigam. Why are you making it legal? Ujjwal Nigam can give you a supremely legal argument, but he won't. I know he'll give you a straight and factual reply. Ujjwal Nigam, big day today when a
Interpol is acting on it. Interpol.
We're not
It's
detective.
between Interpol and the Indian
my
government.
Pakistani friend,
Yes.
This confession
Barrister
will also
Saeed
be
is
part of the
always with
Interpol
Hafiz,
records now.
Not to listen the other side.
All right, Ujjwal Nigam.
Barrister Saeed, I would like to raise a simple question to you. That you are saying that you don't have an extradition treaty with India, I accept it. But it also clearly shows that you are also indirectly admitting the presence of Dawood Ibrahim in Pakistan. I am really surprised to know as to how Pakistan former
what a shame.
President Mr. Parvez Musharraf can make a statement and can pay double standard. When he was in the Agra in India, he said that who is Dawood Ibrahim? I don't know. He is not in the Pakistan. Now he is saying that.
So this is what you people, should understand. Pervez Musharraf has got nothing to do what all is happening in Pakistan momentarily. He has got nothing to do basically with Dawood Ibrahim.
You are harboring, you are provoking
Asad Mahmood.
such terror activities in India.
For the government of
Yes, Barrister
Pakistan.
Saeed.
And even for that purpose.
Firstly,
Why
General
don't you
Musharraf
ask
is a
Asad
private
Mahmood,
citizen, and I
Asad-
don't think he has got that intimate information.
यार ये ठीक नहीं है.
One second. You are a country which has lost any standing in the world today. You understand, Ahmad Raza Kasuri? You are a country where an ex-president is accused of murder and defends murder. Have you ever asked yourself, what kind of a country have we become? Where an ex-president admits that Dawood is in Pakistan and then has the nerve to defend the murder of 257 people in Mumbai, you country of terrorists? And you want to give some root cause argument?
India is a terrorist country.
What
If you
was
say
the
like
root
this.
cause for the attack? You tell me today, Ahmad Raza
It is
Kasuri.
your
that you
country.
between-
Because Dawood Ibrahim, nobody knows where is he. But we know where is Kalposhi Yadav. So this you must understand.
Ahmad
Where
Raza
is Kalposhi
Kasuri.
Yadav? He is
Ahmad
with us.
Raza
Who
Kasuri
belongs
wants
to
to
whom?
debate the root
He
cause
belongs to
issue with
India.
you.
He
And I
belongs to
welcome
whom?
the debate. Saurabh Shukla.
Okay.
Saurabh Shukla, you want to discuss the root cause? Then I will discuss the root cause issue with you. I want to ask these Pakistanis
Yeah,
tonight.
go ahead.
And I hope they listen to me, especially Kamar
We
Chima.
are the frontline state against
What was the root cause? What was the root cause for the attack on a Baluchistan shrine in which 52 innocents were killed in November last year? What was the root cause? What was the root cause? Kamar Chima, chup kyun hai aap aaj? What was the root cause of the attack on the police academy in Quetta where 61 Pakistanis were killed? What was the root cause of the Karbala Mohalla Imambara attack
This is the case.
on Shias in Shikarpur in January 2015? What was the root cause of all that? Kamar Chima, chup kyun hai aap aaj? Kamar Chima, boliye.
ये बोल नहीं सकते
Root cause.
ये बोल नहीं सकते
Listen, let him speak and then you
What's happening in Balochistan is because of the Indian policies in Afghanistan. You will have to admit it. That is why we are asking Americans
it's your
do
own
not give
doing.
role to the Indians in Afghanistan.
It's your
We
own
don't
doing.
want Indian
It's the
role in
doing of
Afghanistan.
You have
The
become
way
the
Indians
Well said,
have.
well said.
You are the
Look at-
people who
listen.
you have let down your own people,
It's Indian
your young
policies in
people, your
Afghanistan.
children.
That
They
is
are
why
dying because of
Balochistan
your
is
own
burning.
policies.
When
This
will
is
India
your
abide by
government.
international
Maafi
law?
You should
Will
be
India listen
ashamed
to
of yourself.
international
You
law?
should be asking
You must be ashamed that India is not
India
fulfilling international
follows
obligations.
international law. You
India
are a rogue
must
nation.
admit that India
That's
is
the reason
violating
why your
international
former
law.
president is saying
India
that
is killing the principle
General
of
Musharraf
sovereignty.
was the handler of
India
all
is
the
killing
terrorists. He
principle
has
of
been the handler of
sovereignty.
Dawood Ibrahim and
That
others.
is why we are
That's the
asking
reason.
international
Ask-
community
ask him.
that India must be
Why is
stopped
he
from
saying
having
it?
policies in Afghanistan. Balochistan
You
is
should be
bordering with
stopped.
Afghanistan.
You should be declared
Indians are in Afghanistan.
a state sponsor
and we
of terrorism.
want Indian policies.
This is the time.
We want
After this
India
admission,
sponsoring
Arnab,
terrorism.
the international community
India is
should,
sponsoring
at the UNGA,
terrorism.
should realize
India
that
must be
Pakistan
ashamed of.
continues to
It's
be a
not
state
adopting
sponsor.
international
All the
law.
terrorists,
It's
all the
violating
terror
principle
attacks
of
globally
sovereignty.
have Pakistan
When will
connection.
India
Why
be
is that?
responsible state?
Because
Kamar
of the
Chima.
fact
Till the time India does
because
not
they've
Kamar
been
Chima,
holding and
Kamar Chima,
harboring them.
कमर चीमा,
India
कमर
does
चीमा,
not
शर्म तो बहुत आ रही होगी
respect
आपको आज. कमर चीमा, कमर चीमा,
They have a lame
अरे
argument.
रुक जाइए
Indian
कमर चीमा,
Muslims.
आपकी
When
आप
will
सुनिए
you
मेरी बात,
respect
सुनिए.
Indian Muslims?
कमर चीमा,
When will India
कमर
respect
चीमा,
Indian Muslims? There will
Kamar
come a
Chima,
time
listen,
the
listen.
people of India
Hello,
want
relax.
revenge from
Don't worry about
government.
Indian Muslims. Indian
I
Muslims are
think-
very happy.
I think what's happening.
Indian Muslims
what's
live in a
happening-
secular country.
Had
Don't give me a
Indian
Hindu-Muslim
Muslims had
argument
conditions,
here.
would not
Don't give me a
happen.
शर्म आ
Dawood
रही है.
Ibrahim
मुझे तो
would
लग
not
रहा है
have
गौरव
taken
आर्या.
revenge from you.
गौरव आर्या जो मैं इनको सुन रहा हूँ
I
आज ये
wish
सारे
आपको शर्म
पाकिस्तानी
आए.
जो है वहाँ
I
पे
wish आपको
ये
शर्म
शर्म से
आए.
इनकी सर
Indian
झुकी होनी
मुसलमानों
चाहिए
को
हमारे
हक दो.
प्रोग्राम पर.
ये बौखला गए हैं.
आर्या
Indian
बौखला
मुसलमानों
गए
को
हैं.
हक दो.
ये बौखला गए हैं आज हमारे प्रोग्राम पर. शर्म कीजिए आज आप. आप आज शर्म कीजिए. असद महमूद, गौरव आर्या आपको रिप्लाई करेंगे. मेजर गौरव आर्या कर्नल असद महमूद को रिप्लाई करेंगे. और मैं इतना कहूंगा इस वक्त that today can I have two guests on two sides please, so that I can ask the question peacefully. And viewers, I want to ask today, I want to ask the people of Pakistan, worry about your country. People of Pakistan, worry about your future. People of Pakistan, worry about your past. Worry about your past, people of Pakistan, because you are such a shameless country, people of Pakistan, that in your country a general
No, it is then India is the shameless country.
and in your country,
don't use
and in
these
your
words
country,
for my country. Don't use
and
these
I
words.
worry for the
You
people
are
of
an
Pakistan.
imperialist country.
I do not
You
want
are
to be
an
interrupted when I am
imperialist
giving a
country.
message
Not
to
only
the
you
people
say
of
India,
Pakistan
but
tonight.
from that angle,
People of
India
Pakistan,
itself is
how
having so much
shameless a
problems
country are
inside.
you, and how
Don't
shameless
use
a
these
country
words.
have you become, that the daughter of the person who was killed becomes the Prime Minister, and she is also killed by another general. How low can you fall,
it
people
is
of
Modi,
Pakistan?
it is the Modi.
And in your country
And
today,
take the
the
example
assassin
of
called
Gujarat.
Musharraf runs
Now,
away
Kashmir,
from his
remember
country
that
like a
time,
coward.
2002,
And you are not liking
how
my
they were
question.
burned. And he was
And
the
that-
one who
and
was
that shameless-
international terrorist. He was not allowed to enter
Colonel
into
साहब,
USA.
आप कर्नल साहब,
And
कर्नल
why-
साहब,
आपको जवाब देना
कर्नल
चलो।
साहब,
This is
मुशर्रफ
what the
जो है ना,
mentality of
मुशर्रफ
your people today. He
was
is
Musharraf the
prime minister
10th
of your
president
country.
of Pakistan?
So you can
Asad
back
Mahmood,
out.
Asad
With
Mahmood,
the difference
Asad
of
Mahmood,
leadership.
Asad Mahmood, Asad
हाँ,
Mahmood.
ये आपको
Remember
याद
this
होना
thing: the
चाहिए,
Supreme
मेजर
Court of
साहब।
India has not indicted Musharraf. The Supreme Court of India has not indicted Musharraf. An Indian news channel has not indicted Musharraf. Please understand that Musharraf has been declared a proclaimed offender by your courts.
हम आपसे सिर्फ इतना
अंदर का
कहेंगे
मामला नहीं है,
कि ये जो
दुनिया भर का मामला है कि आप
एक
कैसे
छोटा सा
दहशतगर्दों की
एक
देश बन गए हो.
statement दे दिया,
Rogue
इसका
country,
reality के साथ
terrorist
कोई
state.
ताल्लुक नहीं है.
And I want to ask Gaurav Arya. Gaurav Arya, what would you say? Gaurav Arya, what would you say?
जानो दाऊद इब्राहिम जाने, हमारे साथ कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है उसका.
आप सुनिए.
Control
ये आपको क्लियर
शर्म आ
होना
रही है.
चाहिए.
क्या आपको
आप
शर्म आ
अपने
रही है?
अंदर देखिए, what are you doing basically with the Indian nationals? आप छोड़े बाहर क्या हो रहा है?
क्या आप अपने ही आज जो आपकी सिचुएशन है उसको टॉलरेट नहीं कर पा रहे? मगर हमने तो आपको कहा,
हमारा
आप
सिचुएशन बड़ा
सोचिए बाद में
जबरदस्त
क्या
है
होगा.
और
When
आने
you
वाले
become a
दिनों
dhaba
में
country
अर्नाब
for the
और
Chinese.
सिचुएशन बेहतर हो
The
जाएगी.
question is today,
Mind your own
the question
business,
is today
mind
from
about
Gaurav
your own
Arya.
people,
Gaurav Arya,
that how
what
you
are the
dealing
consequences?
basically Indian,
आप
Indian
खुलकर
people
बोलिए
for that
गौरव
matter.
आर्य. जीडी
As
बख्शी,
far as Pakistan
जीडी
is
बख्शी
concerned,
डिबेट पर हैं
leave us
और मैं
alone
चाहता
and we know
हूं
what are we
कि
going to
जीडी
do.
बख्शी
Right?
खुलकर
यही आपको पता नहीं
अहमद
है.
राजा कसूरी से बात करें आज. और दोनों ही काफी both are seniors. We should listen to them. जीडी बख्शी, I want you. आप हिंदी में, अंग्रेजी में, उर्दू में, किसी भी भाषा में, मगर जितने ही डायरेक्टली आप बोलिए. इधर अहमद राजा कसूरी है, he is from Musharraf's party. Why don't you tell him, GD Bakshi, that in his country today, Musharraf has admitted that Dawood is on Pakistani soil? Why don't you tell Ahmad Raza Kasuri the consequences of that confession? What does it mean and why should he be worried? Tell him today. Speak openly, GD Bakshi. Don't hold yourself back.
Absolutely. Kasuri Saab, can I kindly, with your permission, I thought we were both old and mature people.
You are not a Democrat. As I said, you have a Brahmin democracy where Kshatri has got different rights, Shudra has got different rights, and Dalit has got no right. And the religious minorities are harassed and treated with tyranny and injustice.
Democracy.
So, can I just come in, Arnav?
Saudi democracy. आपकी तो Salafi Punjabi democracy चल रही है.
Arnav, can I, Mr. Kasuri?
He's not going to stop. I think you need to tell him the people of India want to hear you telling the Pakistanis what you think about the admission of Musharraf.
Mr. Kasuri Sahab, the question was directed to me. With your kind permission, can I answer it? Okay, thank you. You know, the fact of the matter is that an admission by a former head of the state to the effect that one of the proclaimed offenders of the 2611 case and many other mass murder cases in India is staying in Pakistan under Pakistani protection, I am afraid is going to have consequences. This man is a globally designated terrorist. The police forces of many countries are on the lookout for him. How can a Pakistani former president, Mr. Kasuri, so glibly say that yes, he is in Clifton, yes, he was there, he may have died now, I am not sure, but he was there, and why should we help you? You are obligated by the UN Security Council resolution number 1267 to take action against globally
well said. Well said.
From last 68 years,
that is part
what
of
have
your
you done?
obligation
First, look at yourself.
As a member state of the United
Look at your
Nations.
face in the mirror. What have you done with the people of Kashmir? You have let loose a reign of terror. You have 7 lakh occupied troops who are playing havoc with the lives of innocent
Kashmir obsession.
You are using pellet guns and hundreds of young Kashmiris have become blind.
Excuse me, Mr. Kasuri.
You have destroyed the sanctity of their houses. What have you done? What have you done? I'm not going to listen to you. You're talking nonsense.
Have you looked within? Mr.
Kasuri ji,
you are a learned person. Mr. Kasuri, you are a learned person. Have you looked within what you have done in Balochistan? How many people you have slaughtered there?
Well said.
How many people have been tortured to death and their bodies thrown on the roads? How many women have been raped there?
Asad Mahmood.
Have you looked within?
Asad Mahmood on the right.
Have you looked within at what has happened in Gilgit-Baltistan?
Don't ask.
Have you looked
Asad
within
Mahmood.
at what has happened to the Shias? Have you looked within, for God's sake, to what has happened to your own Shia population, to your Mahajirs, to your Sindhis? Please look within when you start.
They're all Pakistani. There is no Shia.
There
is no Sunni.
Your
There is no
Mahajir.
Mahajir. There is no
You have a lot
Sunni.
of
Not at all.
India.
All are Pakistani, right? You are trying to create a wedge and
I
you are
can't understand
miserably
what you are saying.
failed. You should understand this.
Well, your acoustics are all up the creek.
I'd like
How have we
Gaurav
tried to
Arya
create a
come in
wedge?
and I want to tell.
It is
I want to
self-created.
tell the very senior gentleman from Islamabad, the president of the All India Muslim League, All Pakistan Muslim League. The president of the All Pakistan Muslim League, Ahmad Raza Kasuri, should listen to me. And may we both be on the side. I want to say something to him tonight. Ahmad Raza Kasuri, you're a very senior man.
You have nothing to say.
You are the president of the All Pakistan Muslim League. What is going wrong with you? सुबह चाय पीते हुए कश्मीर.
What is wrong with you?
लंच के टाइम कश्मीर, डिनर के टाइम कश्मीर, मूवी देखते हुए कश्मीर, टीवी में बोलते हुए कश्मीर, टीवी देखते हुए
याद आएगा आपको कश्मीर.
ऑब्सेशन हो गई आपकी कश्मीर कश्मीर कश्मीर.
चाहते
अरे भाई एक बेशर्मी की भी हद होती है.
यही आप
अहमद रजा कसूरी हद पार कर चुके हैं आप बेशर्मी की. कश्मीर के नाम पर हर चीज को जस्टिफाई करेंगे आप. कश्मीर के नाम पर सब कुछ जस्टिफाई करेंगे आप? शर्म नहीं आती है आपको? क्या आप बताइए मुझे आज, भारत के लोग ये जानना चाहेंगे, भारत के लोग ये जानना चाहेंगे आपको, जो आप कश्मीर के नाम पे हर चीज को बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं। मैं आज आपसे एक सीधा सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, और आप ना झुकिए ना साइड में देखिए, मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए। अरे भाई जवाब दीजिए, हिम्मत है तो जवाब दीजिए। ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग के आप
सवाल तो करो यार,
एक भारतीय पत्रकार से एक सवाल नहीं ले सकते आप?
सवाल तो करो।
आप सुनिए मेरी बात, गौरव रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे। देखिए, भारत के नागरिक आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, सुनिए। क्या कश्मीर के कारण मुशर्रफ ने बेनजीर की हत्या की? मुशर्रफ ने एक बेनजीर को मारा।
It has got no nexus.
क्या कश्मीर के नाम पे मारा? बताइए आप। Tell me the reason. Kashmir was Benazir Bhutto also assassinated for Kashmir? What rubbish are you talking about, Gaurav Arya? Why don't we say it and give it back to them tonight? Answer my question, President of the All Pakistan Muslim League. Why did Musharraf kill Benazir? Because your nature is of a terrorist state. Why were the children of Peshawar killed? Because you support terrorism. Were they killed for Kashmir?
Were killed by RAW. The children of
Are there killings going on in Balochistan in the name of Kashmir?
Balochistan were killed
झूठ मत बोलिए आप।
75
एक्सपोज हो चुके हैं आप आज। गौरव आर्या, आज जो इन्होंने सब जो ढोंगी बातें करते हैं, एक्सपोज कीजिए इनको आज आप। मैं पूछ रहा हूं आपको, आई एम आस्किंग यू।
मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ। I want to ask this gentleman one thing.
Say go ahead.
Sir, please allow me to ask you a question. Allow me to ask you a question, sir.
भाई आपको पूछ रहे हैं।
सर एक सेकंड, आपसे एक सवाल पूछने लगा हूँ मैं।
सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, आप सीधे
Ask me a question.
आप जवाब दीजिए गौरव आर्या को। गौरव आर्या को, don't stop।
I want to ask you a question. My question to you is simple. Between 2006 and 2016, 23,500 Pakistanis were killed in Karachi alone. Were they killed because of Kashmir?
Well said, sir. Well said.
The Shia-Sunni divide is not recent. It is 1400 years old. 1400 साल पुराना शिया-सुन्नी का मसला है।
बोलिए।
Is it also related to the Kashmir issue?
Well said.
Why do you always say Kashmir for each and everything? The question here which Arnab is asking is simple. An ex-president, and not an ex-president alone, an ex-chief of army staff of the Pakistan army,
well said,
who was in power for almost a decade, admits that Dawood Ibrahim is in town.
Are they equal?
And you say that his words have nothing, they have no value. This is the same man who said Pakistan army was not involved in Kargil. And then in his own book, he writes that I myself went inside India.
Their rights.
क्या ब्राह्मण कर रहे हो यार? क्या बोल रहे हो? क्या ब्राह्मण? आपको कोई लॉजिक पता नहीं? हिंदू सोसाइटी, इंडियन सोसाइटी, मुस्लिम सोसाइटी के बारे में पता नहीं है?
You are a community which follows Chankia is the one who is your intellectual leader.
Sir, I think
who has written books.
Sir, I think what you're selling is candy floss.
You draw all your.
What is this Brahmin thing you're saying? Who's a Brahmin? Modi is a Brahmin? और राजनाथ सिंह?
भाई बात सुनो।
Who's a Brahmin, sir? ये आपने एक वर्ड सीख लिया, आप उसको टूटे हुए रिकॉर्ड की तरह घुमाते रहते हो। कौन है यहाँ पे? Who teaches you all this?
आप रेपिस्ट हैं।
Sir, who teaches you all this?
रेपिस्ट नेशन। ये जो राम रहीम है, आपने इस लेवल के रेपिस्ट पैदा किए हुए हैं।
I think, sir, you have become totally unhinged. 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 You do not know what you're saying. We asked you one question. Is Dawood in Pakistan? Your ex-president and chief of army staff says Dawood is in Pakistan. As soon as we said Dawood is in Pakistan, you started saying Brahmin state, you started saying Kashmir, you started saying rapist. सवाल का जवाब है तो दीजिए, वरना चुपचाप बैठिए आप।
He's an Indian national Interpol.
और आप कौन होते हैं? और आप कौन होते हैं? आप कौन होते हैं भाईजान? ये मुस्लिम या हिंदू के बारे में बोलने के लिए? We allow Muslims every
भाई अगर आप हमारे मुल्क में आके तफरीक करोगे, आप ये तो कहेंगे ना अपना
Please be quiet.
कोई बुरी बात तो नहीं।
But I want to tell you,
आपको अच्छी राह सुझा
I want to tell you, कमर चीमा, आप जो ढाबा देश बन गए हो ना, चाइनीज के लिए ढाबा चलाएंगे आप आज से 5 साल बाद। My question to you is, my question to you is, are you aware? Are you aware? And I'm going away from the subject. The subject is on Dawood. But I want to tell you that in the Chinese have decided, I'm telling you, the Chinese have decided that once they take over economic control over Pakistan, names of children will not be allowed to be Muslim names, because that is what they do in the Xinjiang province.
Yes.
They don't allow Muslim names. Absolutely. They have banned beards and veils and burqas. They have put a ban on the Muslim religion. They have put a ban on Muhammad and Jihad as baby names in the Xinjiang province. You need to understand, they have banned your religion. Your state religion is banned in China, and you are allowing, and I want to tell you this, I want to tell you this, please. You also must be, aapko main aaj Ahmad Raza Kasuri, your president of the All Pakistan Muslim League. I go back to the subject tonight. I go back to the subject tonight. I go back to the subject tonight. And GD Bakshi, the subject is Dawood Ibrahim. And my question is, GD Bakshi, Musharraf has exposed the fact that Dawood is a state guest. Musharraf has exposed the fact that Dawood is a state guest. Bring them back to the debate tonight. Bring them back, GD Bakshi, to the debate tonight. These Pakistanis, ye Pakistani bhagna chahte hain is debate se. They want to run away from the Pakistan debate, because for all these years they used to say, Dawood Ibrahim, we don't know where Dawood Ibrahim is. But today it has been exposed that Dawood Ibrahim is living on your soil, and Musharraf has said it. He has admitted it. And do you know, Barrister Zahid Saeed, why he said this? What's why he said? Did I say that? Barrister, calm down. First of all, decide who's speaking. Barrister. Yes, Barrister, calm down. Relax. Relax.
I'm calm.
Barrister Saab,
why don't you ask simple question?
Barrister, listen to
why
me.
don't you ask Interpol to find out where your national is?
बैरिस्टर
You
साहब
have
सुन
already
लीजिए,
referred the case to Interpol.
मैं गुजारिश कर रहा हूँ
It is
साहब
in
सुन
their
लीजिए,
discretion.
क्यों हम एक दूसरे पे चिल्ला रहे? आप प्लीज थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करिए आज।
मैं नहीं चला
हम
रहा
चाहेंगे
भाई।
अपने पाकिस्तानी इंटरलोक्यूटर्स के साथ एक सिविलाइज्ड डिबेट करना। प्लीज मेरी सुन लीजिए, हम आपको कह रहे हैं कि दाऊद इब्राहिम एक ग्लोबली डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट है। यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने अरे साहब, मैं दाऊद इब्राहिम की बात कर रहा हूँ।
एक मिनट मुझे सुने, आप मुझे एक मिनट सुने। देखें,
मैं दाऊद इब्राहिम की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो क्यों आप टॉपिक बदली कर रहे हैं? मैं दाऊद इब्राहिम की बात कर रहा हूँ। आप टॉपिक से पल्ला क्यों झाड़ रहे हैं? आप कतरा क्यों रहे हैं?
You can't even talk.
आप दाऊद इब्राहिम के टॉपिक से कतरा क्यों रहे हैं? क्योंकि आप गुनहगार हैं।
इंटरपोल के पास
भाग रहे हैं दाऊद से सब्जेक्ट।
एक ग्लोबली डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट को पनाह दी है, हथियार दिए हैं, असला दिया है, औरतें बच्चे मारने के लिए।
यस सर,
हमें कोई एतराज नहीं है। वी आर
जनाब, आप कह रहे थे
आप
असद महमूद
प्रोपेगेंडा बंद करें, प्रोपेगेंडा बंद करें।
असद महमूद
बता रहा हूँ आपकी करतूतें,
व्हाट यू आर डूइंग।
मैं रूबरू कर रहा हूँ आपको आपके कारनामों के साथ। क्या कारनामे किए हैं आपने?
बाबा, आपके कारनामे क्या है मैं आपको बताता हूँ। आपके कारनामे क्या है? ये जो
लिहाजा जनाब, आप देखिए कि आपकी करतूतें क्या हैं।
टीटीपी,
आप कह रहे हैं मुल्क को गाली मत दे। अरे साहब, हम गाली मत नहीं दे रहे, हम केवल याद दिला रहे हैं कि आपके मुल्क ने किया क्या है।
आपने हमला
एक ग्लोबली डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट को पाला है, क्लिफ्टन के बंगलों में आलीशान
हमारी जो
अयाश महलों में रखा है, और आपने साइन किया है यूएन चार्टर। आपका यूएन चार्टर के आप हमको गुहार देते रहते हैं। आप बताइए कि क्या आपने यूएन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल की रेजोल्यूशन 1267 पढ़ी है?
पाकिस्तान प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, यू डिड
पढ़ी है क्या आपने 1267? 1267 कहती है कि नो कॉज बट नो कॉज इन द वर्ल्ड कैन जस्टिफाई द यूज ऑफ टेरर। कसूरी साहब, आप कैसे एक टेररिस्ट को पनाह दे सकते हैं? किस मुंह से आपके पुराने सदर,
कसूरी
रियासत के सदर कह सकते हैं हाँ वो हमारे इलाके में था
terrorism.
और हम आपकी मदद नहीं करेंगे।
Asad Mahmood Kasuri, keep changing on the right.
You are obligated by the
I am
UN
one of
Charter
the.
to take
I
action
come from a
against him.
family.
आपने
We are
एक्शन
one
क्यों
of the
नहीं लिया?
conquerors of India. We are
आपने
conquerors of
एक्शन
India.
क्यों नहीं लिया? आपने
We are
अपने
the
गरेबान
one
में
who
झांका है।
defeated Prithviraj.
कौन गाली दे
We
रहा
are
है
the
आपको?
one who defeated
आप अपनी करतूतें देखिए।
Prithviraj Chauhan in Battle of the Rhine in
अरे साहब,
1192.
मैं फिर कह
We
रहा
are the
हूँ,
one who
कसूरी
defeated
साहब, आप पढ़े लिखे बंदे हैं। मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ साहब, हम आपको कोई गाली नहीं दे रहे। हम कह रहे हैं कि अपने गरेबान में झांकिए, अपनी काली करतूतों को देखिए।
We are the one who defeated the Marathas in the third battle of Panipat in 1761. I come from a family of warriors. I know your level.
जो मुगल सल्तनत थी, उसे मराठों ने और सिखों ने अंग्रेजों के आने के बहुत पहले उखाड़ फेंका था। ये हकीकत आप जानते हैं। जरा तारीख खोल के पढ़ लीजिए।
मेरे जैसे बंदे के हाथ गवर्नमेंट आ गई,
मुगल सल्तनत को मराठों और सिखों ने उखाड़ फेंका था। अरे जनाब,
ये
मैं आपको
बताइए,
बता रहा हूं, आपके वॉरियर्स,
एक सवाल है, एक सवाल है,
हमारे
एक सवाल है, एक सवाल है। हेलो 1 सेकंड, क्वेश्चन टू कसूरी
हो गया।
जीडी बख्शी, मैं कसूरी जी से एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ। कसूरी जी, जीडी बख्शी, कसूरी जी, सवाल है आपसे। Listen to me, I have a question for you. Listen to me, I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Arey sir, wait. I have a question for you and Gaurav Arya has to sort you out now after this. Now I just want to ask you, Kasuri, with a very serious plea, if you ask me, are you also related to Lieutenant General A.A.K. Niazi? Because somebody told me that you are directly related to Lieutenant General A.K. Let me complete. मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन है, आप जानते हैं मैं सच कह रहा हूं, क्योंकि मुझे मेरे जितने सोर्सेस हैं उन्होंने कहा है that you are related. मुझे कहा है कसूरी, मुझे कहा गया है, आप बोलिए अभी, बोलिए आप अभी 1971 में आपके देश के एक बहुत ही बड़े कायर जनरल नियाजी ने इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ सरेंडर साइन की, झुक के अपना पिस्तौल रखा इंडियन फोर्सेस के सामने, फिर वो झुक के उन्होंने बोला माफ कीजिए, पिट गए हम। और फिर क्या मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूं कि ये सच है कि नहीं है? मेरे पास जो खबर है अभी, द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई हैव इज दैट कसूरी इज रिलेटेड टू नियाजी। द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई हैव, व्हाई आर यू सेइंग? The information I have, sir, he was talking of his bloodline. Sir, this man Kasuri, आप क्या covering fire दे रहे हैं उनके लिए? This man Kasuri was talking about his bloodline. Relax now. Relax. The man Kasuri अपने पुरखों के बारे में बोल रहे थे, और मैं बहुत डायरेक्ट डिबेट करता हूँ, मैं ना इधर की उधर की बात करता हूँ, मगर मुझे लोगों ने बताया है, अभी पाकिस्तान से फोन आए हैं और उन्होंने कहा है हमें कि ये कसूरी जो बैठे हुए हैं आपके प्रोग्राम पर, ये जनरल नियाजी जो झुक के जिन्होंने सरेंडर साइन किया, इनके डायरेक्ट रिलेटिव है। आप जरा बताइए ये है कि नहीं है कसूरी?
I'm a Kheshi.
Why? So because he surrendered.
I have nothing to do with him. I have got nothing to do with him. As I said, General Sadar Yaqub Ali Khan, Lieutenant General Sadar Yaqub Ali Khan, who was also the father.
How do you have something to do with Mughals and nothing to do with a failed Pakistani general? Now that's what I call a cheap shot argument. Gaurav Arya has a response to you. Gaurav Arya, बोलिए. Gaurav Arya and General
कसूरी साहब, एक बात बोलने लगा हूं आपको। ये जो आपने पृथ्वीराज चौहान, बैटल ऑफ तराइन और आपने जो बातें करी ना सर, ये गौरी गजनवी की, सर ये बच्चों वाली बातें मत करिए, आपको जेब नहीं देती है, बुजुर्ग आदमी है सर, रिस्पेक्ट यू, प्लीज डोंट टॉक लाइक दिस। आपको पता है कि जो आपका एंसेस्टर, जिसकी एक मिनट होल्ड ऑन सर होल्ड ऑन, मैं बड़े एहतराम से, बड़ी तमीज से आपसे बात कर रहा हूं, लेकिन आज आपको पता लगना चाहिए कि आपने क्या करा है। 16 बार पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने आपके पुरखे को छोड़ा था, वो पृथ्वीराज चौहान की गलती थी, पहले समय गला काट देता तो यहां पे हमारे सामने कसूरी नहीं बैठा होता ऐसे। जोर से अपनी जबान खोलते हुए शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको। यू आर अ शेमलेस पर्सन सर। आपके सफेद बालों की मैं इज्जत कर रहा था, लेकिन आपने एक बड़ी ही गलीज किस्म की, बड़ी ही भद्दी बात करी है, एंड आई थिंक यू नीड टू बी सॉर्टेड आउट। You said you come to power. You said you will come to power and you'll sort out India. You sort out India. We created Bangladesh in 14 days. You will sort out India. You will sort out India. क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? Don't please don't say Pakistan. ये सब आपके दिमाग के कीड़े हैं। हम आपसे तमीज से बात कर रहे थे। आप हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, लेकिन आपको तमीज से और जेब से जो बात करते हैं, ये आपको हजम नहीं होती है। आपको हजम नहीं होती है बातें। ठीक है, यू टॉक अबाउट योर एंसेस्टर। आपके एंसेस्टर डकैत थे, आपके एंसेस्टर चोर थे। क्यों आए हिंदुस्तान में? चोरी करने के लिए आए। They came to India to loot, to rape. You're calling India a rapist nation? What did your ancestor do? You're talking about Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan was an honorable king. He was an honorable king. He did not know how to fight dirty, and that is what you took advantage of. And you are a dirty fighter. Your ancestor was doing the same thing hundreds of years back that you're doing for Dawood Ibrahim and Kargil. वो नस्ल, वो जो DNA है ना, वो DNA, आपका DNA कभी नहीं जाएगा। आपका DNA खराब है।
Because they cannot fight straight, because this coward nation cannot fight straight, because every Pakistani army officer is a coward, because every Pakistani soldier is a coward. That's why they use Dawood Ibrahim. You don't have the guts there. I have seen the pictures from Kargil. I have seen the pictures from Kargil. I have seen the good burial that we gave to your soldiers. I have seen the bodies of the Pakistani soldiers. I have the footage of the Pakistani soldiers. I have the footage of the Pakistani soldiers. And you are such a coward nation, you didn't even accept the bodies of your soldiers. You know the Pakistani wives of the Pakistani soldiers begged your country, give us the bodies of our men back, and you said we won't. You are such a country of cowards. You tell me now. Tell me, if you were not a coward nation, Asad Mahmood, tell me, why would you not fight us army to army and man to man? Why would you not fight us army and army to army, soldier to soldier? Why would you not fight us that way? Why would you need Dawood? And Asad Mahmood, answer yourself today. What a black spot, कितना बड़ा धब्बा है आपके देश के नाम पर।
एक चीज आपको मैं बता दूं, हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं दाऊद इब्राहिम को।
मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरा नाम मेजर गोस्वामी नहीं है, सिर्फ एक मेजर है, मेजर गौरव आर्य। बोलिए, आपको दाऊद की क्या जरूरत
हो जाते हैं? सर, पाकिस्तान में हो ना हो, ठीक है, आपके फॉरगेट अबाउट मुशर्रफ बीइंग प्रेसिडेंट इन योर कंट्री। प्रेसिडेंट इज लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. He was army chief, and your ex-army chief has said that Dawood Ibrahim is inside Pakistan.
Why do you need Dawood? Why do you need Dawood? Asad Mahmood,
इनका पेंशन फंड है, इन फौजियों का पेंशन फंड है दाऊद इब्राहिम, पैसे देता है इनको, इनके
दाऊद के साथ आपका क्या लेना देना है, आप बताइए। One second, question from Saurabh Shukla. Saurabh Shukla सवाल पूछ रहे हैं आपको। Go ahead, Saurabh Shukla, cover chief.
जनाब ये बताइए कि दाऊद इब्राहिम लिफ्टन में रहता है कि नहीं, बताइए। आप ये बताइए कि दाऊद इब्राहिम को आईएसआई सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करती है कि नहीं, आप ये बताइए। बताइए कि दाऊद इब्राहिम जो है आपके मुल्क में इतने सालों से रह रहा है, आपके लीडरान, आपके आर्मी के लोग उसके साथ उठते बैठते हैं, बिजनेस चलाते हैं। ये एक्सपोज किया था हमने, और आप ये दोबारा आपके मुशर्रफ ने ये बोल के आप लोग शर्मसार हो गए आज। आप नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि आप डरते हैं।
हमें भी बड़ी
आपको लगता है कि आपकी जो पेंशन है सब बंद हो जाएगी। आप अपना बात करिए, बताइए बैठा है कि नहीं।
उज्ज्वल निगम, last question, how do we use this now? We have an on-record admission. We have an on-record admission.
We should mount pressure.
We have an on-record admission from an ex-Pakistani president.
Fully capable
that he, well, it's on television. Are you deaf or can't you see? Ujjwal Nikam, how do we name the Pakistanis? An ex-president has exposed them. How do we use his confessional statement?
You have raised a very valid and important question. Arnab, I would like to tell you that on this show you have raised a very valid and important question, that what is the evidentiary value of the former president of Mr. Musharraf's statement openly, not only admitting the presence of Dawood in Pakistan, but also indirectly harbor the entire terror activity. Now my question to my Pakistani friends, especially Barrister Saeed, that America has already declared Dawood Ibrahim as a global terrorist, and the Pakistan former president is impliedly admitting the presence of Dawood Ibrahim in Pakistan, and not only that, he's provoking the terror activity. My question to you, that why the America should not take action, stringent action, against the rogue state like Pakistan? The first question. Secondly, though you have a friendship with the China, now because of your all the activities and statement of Mr. Parvez Musharraf, China also should be brought before the United Nations Security Council. Not only that, I would like to appeal to the Indian authorities also.
Let China decide.
To prosecute Dawood Ibrahim in the court of the criminal justice.
Good point.
And
good
that
point.
is
you see, that point is very relevant, Ujjwal Nigam, because
Can I answer?
as we all know today, as Asad knows, as Mr. Kasuri knows, as Kamar Chima knows, as Barrister Zahid Saeed knows, China owns Pakistan.
You committed a grave
China owns Pakistan.
by going into austerities.
China owns you, sir. They'll now have to decide what to do with Dawood. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1. Debate number 2 on the RSS versus the left in Kerala is coming up on the other side. Thank you, gentlemen, for debate number 1 tonight. See you in a few minutes.